तू हिला रहा है क्या? वो हिल रहा है। जब मैं साइड में निकालता हूँ, आप उड़ा, आप उड़ा।
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the FPV field and want to build your very own first racing drone, you are at the right video. In this video, we'll be building the cheapest FPV drone. I am gonna cover all the important aspects which are required for building the FPV drone. I am gonna using DJI flight controller in this one. So if you want to see the flight video of this one, stay connected till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. First we need 4 brushless motor. Here I am gonna using RS2205 2300 kV motors. This motor comes with silver and black cap. Black one indicate clockwise while silver one indicate anti-clockwise. Anyhow, we'll discuss this more when we are assembling the motor into the frame. Now for the frame, we are using 250 size frame, the QAV 250. It's a complete carbon frame. This kit include one top plate, one bottom plate, arm base plate, and with set of some screws and 4 arms. Prepare your screwdrivers now, as we'll be installing the arm into the frame. Before assembling the frame, I recommend you to once go through your instruction manual, because there could be some slight difference among the various frames which are available in the market. Place the arm into the appropriate hole in the frame, then tighten it with the 4 nuts and bolts which are provided with the kit. Now we'll assemble the top plate. Here we have to install the screw rod into the plate. First start aligning the rod into the rod hole which is there in the plate and fasten it firmly with a screw. Here comes the main hero into the frame. Use the stock screw that came with the motor to install it into the frame. Make sure that the motors are mounted according with this layout. We are mostly done with the assembly part. Now we can start connecting our main electronics. This is electronic speed controller ESCs which are used in motor for regulating the speed. Here I am gonna using Cyclone 35 ampere Bell Heli D-Shot ESCs. These ESCs support 2 to 6S LiPo battery. There are in total 3 connections that we have to connect in the ESC. The motor is connected to the ESC via 3 wires. The thick black and red wire power the ESC and motor at 12 volts. The thin black and white wire is the signal wire that connect with the flight controller. Now attach the remaining motors to the ESC in the same way. Move the motor wires to the rear part of the frame and connect them with the ESCs for better cable organization. After connecting each ESC, it will look something like this. And with this one, we can start connecting the power cable of the ESC to the main power distribution board. Now we'll use double-sided tape to keep the ESC in place. Now carefully solder the positive and negative wire of the ESCs to the power distribution board. Now connect the positive and negative wire of the XT60 connector to the power distribution mode. Since this video is already very lengthy, I'll continue in the part 2. In the part 2, we'll attach the flight controller and look how to calibrate and program the flight controller using its software. So stay connected to the part 2.
Okay, let's go.